We're going to go ahead and initialize the BD3-SX Bavarian Demon 3-SX. Just remember this concept applies to all transmitter and fiberless system. First thing you want to do before you power your transmitter, make sure all the switches are in the away and your throttle stick is in the low position. Power on transmitter. Throttle hold. Just to make a note, I like to leave the radio on for about 5 to 8 seconds just to make sure it picked up the channel. Now I'm going to plug in the main battery pack. I like to leave the system for about 10 seconds to initialize all settings. This is very important. Then before takeoff, what I like to do is mid stick, and then you take off throttle hold, and that will let you go ahead and fly the model.